Name: Wayne Bird. Age: 180, approximately. In our world, college student Wayne Bird was a depressed, directionless, alcoholic writer, transported to the plague-ridden earth of a parallel reality. Wayne found his purpose as a freedom-fighting journalist. Nearly 150 years later, semi-retired and working as a creative writing teacher at Green City High School, Mr. Bird finds himself face to face with the Skyrat, a superhero he made up when he was only 7 years old. Is this a coincidence? A cosmic inevitability? The senility of an old man? Or could it be fate?